Okay, everyone, here's my dog, BB. She's 1 year old, but she's 15. So we all know BFB and BFBI. Him and BFB. Daddy BFBI. 24/7. Finish! So, my sister pictures have shadings. And then the comment saying her pictures are ugly. And she just show off. Let's have pictures saying, let's have comments saying that my pictures are so pretty. And I'm not a show off. All mine. All mine. Oh my god. All mine except this one. Except this one and this one. And this one. My sister. My sister. The rest of mine.
You have my candy?
Oh, she wants candy. What candy?
The candy that's right there next to the flower.
Candy. Oh. Oh, yeah, my sister. What are these? From where? They're from what?
They're from, I don't know.
They're like Chinese stuff. These are all made out of flowers. This is made out of flowers. This was the most disgusting part. These were all disgusting.
Those are like tortillas mixed with
Yeah. Angel flowers.
hair.
Yeah, angel hair. And those were bomb. The only angel
They're
hair.
from Thai.
Yeah, taco.
Jay,
Thai and joking.
they're Thai.
And you guys can leave that after that ending it. But if you leave, you'll miss the most exciting part of me playing with my dog.
Jay, what the hell?
She's killing me. No, I'm still vlogging, so don't say my name. Oh yeah, we like calling her Nan Mod. Okay, sister. We really kept on zooming. Move.
Ow, you just hit me.
Okay.
Bro, stop showing me.
I'm
You
not
didn't
showing
even hand me my angel hair.
Oh, she wants her angel hair. Yeah. Okay.
Put the cakes back.
What cake?
The cupcakes.
Oh yeah. These were the most disgusting part. Never bite me. Wow, for you weirdos out there.
Jay.
Well, every YouTuber says that. For you weirdos. This is like the best part. And if you guys are weirdos and you don't like them, you're all weird. Because these are like literally the best part. These are called... No, baby! Angel hair. Yeah, angel hair candy. These were $5.
They're from Hollywood.
Oh yeah, these are from Hollywood. Oh my god, these were so
Yeah,
hard.
and they were from my place.
A fancy restaurant. We're not rich actually.
Yeah. Okay.
What?
Angel hair?
If you guys want to taste angel hair, go to Hollywood. I have no idea. I don't
Look,
want.
let's show them.
Oh
It
yeah.
actually looks like hair, but it's actually candy.
Give me. This is how angel hair looks. Oh my god, it looks so much like hair. If we could get a lot of comments
Look,
saying,
show them inside the bag.
if we could get a lot of comments saying, oh my god, these look like real hair, I'll be happy. I'll give you hearts and everything.
Taste it.
Oh, I think they love it. Don't you guys love it? It's so delicious. Let's see. Okay, really, I know you
We
guys
not
are
really want one. Hello. You want to taste one? I'll give you a little piece.
Oh, her hair got on it.
Ew. Caleb, just try to eat it.
Ew.
No, wait 1 second.
This is turning into a food video.
Bro, we're not doing a mukbang.
Mm-hmm.
This is good, huh?
Mm-hmm. Give me another one. Oh. I don't care if you ate. Oh, that's just. Here's a small hair. This is how your hair looks like.
Show him this long strand.
Baby!
Oh my god. Get that?
What?
Here,
Oh my god.
put it
Look.
back in there. Don't eat it. No. Bro. This looks like a blonde strand here. Look, show him.
Look
Looks
at
like
see.
a real hair.
Here's what left over it.
kind of sugary.
I have to make this video
It's
6
sugary.
minutes long.
You can go ahead and turn it off now.
No.
You're showing them our house.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, let's play with Baby now.
Dad.
Let's get. Okay, if we
Oh, we
get
love-
39 videos, I mean, not the video, I mean, comments saying she's so cute, I'm adorable, you want to squeeze her. I'll love your comment. Okay? Oh, that was the wrong part. Why are you laughing?
Because we love getting kisses.
There.
Because she likes What?
Oh my god!
Just cut it out.
Oh yeah, I could.